Okay, hello there and welcome to our next episode. This time we're going to talk about the Poly Legato mode. As you know, we have three modes in our instrument, pedal steel from Impact Soundworks, and these modes are Poly Legato, Polyphony, and Mono Harmonizer. We use these control keys to switch in between those modes, voice modes. When you press this key, we have a harmonized mono. When we press this key, we've got poly voice mode, and this key is gonna give us poly legato mode. To switch between the voice modes and for better playability, I'm using my floor keyboard. So in the manual we read that polyphonic legato mode is the one that automatically produces portamento legato or glide for overlapping notes that are one or two semitones apart. This is very important. This mode represents the pedal and knee lever tuning function of the actual instrument. For this poly legato mode, we've got two knobs for its settings, one for threshold and one for priority. While in polyphonic legato voice mode, legato notes that are played faster than this time threshold are played in polyphonic mode, like a chord. This control allows you to play close-voiced chords without the need to switch to polyphonic voice mode. Set to 0 milliseconds to deactivate this feature entirely. Poly legato priority. When a polyphonic legato can go multiple ways, one way is prioritized. Example, while D and F notes are sustained, pressing E note triggers legato portamento. It could go upward from D to E or downward from F to E. Setting priority to upward does the former. Setting priority to downward does the latter. There are also two more options, shortest and newest. Shortest means shortest distance. In the same example, setting priority to shortest would trigger a downward legato F to E, because F to E is one semitone, while D to E is 2. Newest means newest source note. In the same example, if you had played the D note after F, then newest priority would trigger D to E, while if F had been played after D, the legato would be F to E. Let me show you that on the keyboard. Okay, so as I said, we have four priority settings for poly legato mode. The first one is upward. Let me show you what that means. Let us play two sounds, D and F, together. And now let us play the sound E. The setting is upward, which means if we play two sounds and the third sound, which is E, is going to be, we've got now two options, from D to E or from F to E. So with the upward settings, of course, the legato we're gonna get from it is gonna be upward, this direction, which means it's gonna be from D, in this example, from D to E. You can hear it, right? Okay. When we change the setting to downward, okay, you can hear that now legato is from F to D, right? The third setting is shortest, which we understand that from D to E, there are two semitones, right? And from F to E, there is just one semitone. So when we play this and then E, you can hear that this one isn't played, but the legato is played from F to E. The fourth setting for priority in this Poly Legato mode is newest. Let me explain what that means. We've got those two sounds, but let us play them one after the other. I play it like this, and the newest note was the note F, so the legato will be from F to E. And this difference between two sounds can be very, very short, very small. You almost not notice that. But when I change it and do opposite, the newest sound was this one. This was the last one. So the legato that's gonna be used by the instrument is gonna be from D to E. All right, let me also show you another nice sound using this mode of Poly Legato. So this mode allows us to use both chord stones and legato at the same time. All right. Change the priority settings. We use those keys. Okay, those. When I do that, have a look. What happens? Or here. We found the sharpness. You see? Let me just. No, it's impossible. Okay.